Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use PaySafe card on PS5. So the very first thing is that you have to log in into your PlayStation account here. You can just go and click on top right side corner sign in and you can sign in into your PS5. So first of all, start your PS5 and log in into your PlayStation network. Navigate to the PlayStation Store from the home screen. Go to your account settings and select payment and subscription. Choose add funds or wallet option. Select PaySafe card as your payment method, right? And after that, it will ask you 16-digit PIN from your PaySafe card when prompted. This PIN is all you need to complete the transaction, and no bank account or credit card is required. Once your wallet is topped up, you can proceed to purchase games on other content from the Play Store, right? You can just play or purchase any of the games you want. So this is it, and sometimes the availability of PSAfe card is accepted in a region, sometimes not. So it may vary by country. If you encounter issues, consider using third-party sites like Kingwin to buy games keys, which can also be added to your library. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.